Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add pages to your card website. This is a fantastic way to expand your single page site into a multi-section experience, making it easier to organize your content and guide visitors through different areas of your site. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to card.co. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready so you can access your dashboard without any hiccups. After logging in, look to the upper right panel of your screen where you'll find a button labeled Plus New Site. Click on that to start creating a fresh website. This will take you to a selection screen where you can choose from various templates and layouts. From the options presented, navigate to Blank Page and click Select. Starting with a blank page gives you complete creative freedom to build your multi-page structure from scratch, which is exactly what we need for this tutorial. Now, in the upper right corner, you'll see a plus button. Click on it and from the drop-down menu, select #control. This is a key step because the control element acts as an anchor point that will help you create separate pages within your single card site. Once you've added the control element, shift your attention to the left panel. Here, you'll see a field labeled Name. Click on it and type Page 1 in the field. This name will serve as the identifier for your new page section. After typing it in, click Done. You'll notice a dash line appear on your canvas, which represents the boundary of your new page section. Next, click the plus button in the upper right again, but this time select buttons from the menu. Drag the button element onto your main page. This button will act as the navigation link that takes visitors to your newly created page section. In the left panel, you'll see a button drop-down menu. Click on it to customize your button. In the label field, type Page 1. This is the text that will appear on the button itself, so visitors know what they're clicking on. Then, in the URL field, type #page1. This connects the button to the control element you created earlier, making it functional. Once you've entered both pieces of information, click Done. Now, it's time to add some content to your new page. Click the plus button in the upper right once more and select List or choose any other element you prefer, such as text, images, or containers. Drag your chosen element to the bottom of the dash line you saw earlier. This places the content within the Page 1 section. In the left panel, you can customize the text or content of your list element to match your needs. Once you're happy with the changes, click Done. With your pages set up and content in place, it's time to make your site live. In the upper right panel, click the Publish this site button. This will open a new panel on the left side of your screen. Here, type in your preferred title and description for your site. These details help with SEO and give visitors a clear idea of what your site is about. Scroll down until you find the name field, which sits right beside .card.co. In this field, type your desired URL. This will be the web address people use to access your site. After entering your URL, click Publish Changes. Once the site is published, click View Site to see your creation in action. Test the functionality by clicking on the Page 1 button you created earlier. If everything is set up correctly, it should smoothly scroll or navigate to the Page 1 section you built. And there you have it. You've successfully added multiple pages to your card website, transforming it into a more dynamic and organized platform. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.